Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 bicycle seats. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, West Biking Short Nose 3D Printed Bicycle Saddle. Specifications. Brand name, West Biking. Model number, YP0801163. Customized, yes. Category, front seat mat. Shell material, carbon fiber. Use, road bicycles. Color, black, green, white, pink, blue. Weight, 195 grams. Size, 245 by 145 millimeters. Origin, China. Product number 4, Riro Carbon Fiber 3D Printing Bike Saddle. Specifications. Brand name, Riro. Model number, Riro X17. Type, road bike saddle. Customized, yes. Size, 250 by 145 millimeters. Category, back seat mat. Shell material, carbon. Use, road bicycles. User, unisex. Product number 3, RYET Ultralight Bicycle Saddle. Specifications. Brand name, RYET. Customized, yes. Size, 24.5 by 14 by 6 centimeters. Category, front seat mat. Shell material, carbon fiber. Use, road bicycles. User, unisex. Weight, about 207 grams. Warranty, 90 days. Product number 2, RYET 3D Printed TT01 Saddle. Specifications. Brand name, Lexan. Model number, TT01. Type, road bike saddle. Customized, yes. Size, 242 by 133 millimeters. Category, front seat mat. Shell material, carbon. User, unisex. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 179 grams. Product number 1, Jello Bicycle Carbon Fiber Saddle. Specifications. Brand name, Maroka. Model number, K3+. Type, road bike saddle. Customized, yes. Size, 240 by 121 by 42 millimeters. Category, front seat mat. Shell material, carbon fiber. User, unisex. Origin, China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.